purity. Purity is radiant. Anything that is pure has a certain signature, a frequency signature to it. So it will vibrate at a vibration that will definitely catch your attention. If not on the object or item or person or whatever it is, it will lead you in that direction. So when we think of ourselves in a certain way, we portray a certain image of yourself, because all of that is just matter. So all your thoughts are matter that vibrates at a certain frequency so that it can manifest in a physical formation. So if we use this to navigate through our trials and tribulations, it can be a very, very, very most vital, most potent, powerful tool that we could ever use, is knowing the importance of energy and its role in everything. Its purpose of existence is the reason why we are in existence. That's why our souls never die when it leaves our body, because that is energy. Energy cannot be destroyed but transferred from one form to another. Our thoughts is energetic frequency signatures that we put out there, and this is backed up with our belief system. So if we believe in what we're thinking, there is a very high vibration of energy we're putting out there, and this high vibration causes manifestation. Manifestation is on its highest level when it is done in a pure form, because anything pure and anything authentic is 100 times more stronger, 100 times more potent than anything negative. So if you combine positive emotion with any thought, that feeling surrounding that thought brings that into existence. Your subconscious mind was designed to analyze every single thing that we hear, we see, we taste, we smell, we touch, and keep that as a record at the back of our minds. Yes. And riding a bicycle, for example, you got on your bike, first, second, third time you started riding it. After that it was automatic, because that was embedded into your subconscious by practice, by repetition. So if you say certain things, there's a belief, emotional belief around what you say. You might say things to yourself to increase your energetic field, and you feel far from it. Telling yourself that you are wealthy, that you are on top form, that you are of a high caliber personnel, that you are intelligent, that you are business minded, that you are smart, that you are fast, that you are mindful, that you are at your absolute greatest, you are at your best formation, causes an imprint in your subconscious. And by repeating such phrases to yourself, it eventually forms a pattern. And this pattern is followed by an emotion, and this emotion grows as you repeat the pattern, and things start formulating via the universe, slowly but surely, towards what you're saying. And this you will see and start witnessing. Therefore, your belief will start changing in whatever you're telling yourself, because you're starting to experience. The universe starts aligning this with what you're saying. And that is how we manifest things. That is how we bring things forth in life. That is the keys to get yourself out of anything, to change your life from anything to anything. And remember, everything and anything is just energy. You just have to match that vibration. Wealth is a range of frequency. Poverty is a range of frequency. Sorrow is a range of frequency. And so is peace, happiness, joy, prosperity, success, and everything else. So once you align yourself with a frequency range of any concept, happiness, a breathtaking relationship, at the end of the day, you design your reality. So you can formulate your life to the spec of exactly how you actually want it. And it will manifest exactly like that, because you're matching that frequency by telling yourself you are what you are, you become what you are. Simple as that.